mathematicians, how are you doing today? Today we are going to be practicing and thinking about our doubles facts, and we're also going to be thinking about another math fact that is related to the doubles facts. Now, when we think about math facts and facts that are related to each other, we can also think about our family, how we have brothers and sisters and we're related to them, or we have a mom and dad that we're related to. So these math facts that we are going to be looking at today are related to our doubles facts, and we're going to look into that a little bit more. Today, before we get started, what you're going to need is you're going to need the halves, bulls, and vans page. That's page 143. That's the page that this video will help you with. You'll also need a pencil, and if you have it, maybe a blank piece of paper, but if you don't have a blank piece of paper, there's some room on your worksheet for today that you can maybe do some work up in the corner. So those are the things you're going to need today for your math work. All right, let's look at what our goal or our learning target for today is. Our goal is that I can use doubles facts to help solve take half facts. Now, doubles facts are facts that we're really familiar with as second graders. We practiced them in class. It was one of the facts that we were working hard to get really fast with. And so the take half facts are related to the doubles facts. So we're going to look a little bit closer to see how are these two things connected? How are they similar? They're not exactly the same, but we can use our doubles facts to help us. So a doubles fact, just to remind you, here's our poster from school. A doubles fact is when you take a number and you add the same number. So you say 5 plus 5 or 7 plus 7. So we can see here that they're adding the same number on the top as the bottom. And so we know that 5 plus 5 is 10 and that 7 plus 7 is 14. That is our doubles fact. So let's take a closer look at the take half fact. Now remember, doubles facts are going to help us to understand take half fact. So let's go ahead and look at what a take half fact is. When you subtract half of a number, the answer matches the amount that you subtracted. And this says, can you explain why? Well, let's work together and see if we can understand a little bit more about the take half fact. Well, since our other poster had 5 plus 5 equals 10, let's use that to help us with this take half fact. So I'm going to write on my board 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. And I'm going to try to match that picture from our poster. So I have my 10 dots here, 5 on the top, plus 5 on the bottom, and we know that that is 10. Well, what happens if I take away 5? Because that's what this equation is asking me to do. 10 minus 5. What is left over? Oh, 5 is left over. So now we have the job, mathematicians, not just to give the answer, but to think back to our target for today and make the connection between our doubles facts and our take half facts. What are you noticing? How is 10 minus 5 equals 5 related to a doubles fact? Let's think about that. Well, I see a 5 here as the answer. And we took away 5. Well, I know 5 plus 5 is 10. So when we take half of something, we can use our doubles facts to help us. We can think about a doubles fact, and that can help us to find the answer. It can also help us to double check our work, because we know as second grade mathematicians, we like to double check and make sure we didn't make a mistake along the way. Now, if we did make a mistake, that's totally okay. But as mathematicians, we're really careful to make sure that we're doing careful work. Well, let's try another one, my friends, just to see if we're really understanding this relationship between doubles facts and take half facts. So I have a new equation that I just wrote down, and I'm wondering if you could follow along with me. I'm going to do 12 minus 6. I'm wondering if you could follow along with me on your paper or your blank piece of paper and see, can we set this up to help us? 12 minus 6. So I'm going to draw a little picture but I'm not going to show you because I want you to draw a picture too to help you. Or maybe you already are thinking of something that can help you. We all think about math in a different way, and that's okay. So I've drawn my picture here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's what I'm starting with. Now I'm going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take away those 6. What do I have left over? I have 6 left over. I'm starting to make a connection here, friends. I'm noticing a doubles fact. I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. So then 12 minus 6 equals 6. When we add the same number to ourselves, that's a doubles fact. And then if we have that and we take half of it away, we're left with 6. So friends, on your worksheet today, you're going to be practicing some of these take half facts. You'll notice on the top of your worksheet, you're cutting some shapes in half. And then on the bottom of the worksheet, it says find each difference. And all of these are a take halves fact. So you can practice using your doubles facts to help you solve these subtraction problems. Now, remember, if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to your teacher and ask them for help. And we'll be thinking more about halves and doubles as the week goes on. I hope you all are having a great day. See you later.